My professor exposed our classmate for being pregnant in front of the whole class. So I'm in college, and this semester I'm taking a general bio lab. Pretty chill, professor. Decent group of classmates. Nothing too crazy until last week. We had a lab assignment where everyone had to submit a small sample of their own urine for a basic chemical analysis. It was part of a lesson on detecting sugars, ketones, protein, and so on. The professor assured us it was confidential and just for academic purposes. We all brought in samples labeled with student ID numbers, no names, and we got to work testing each one in pairs. I'm partnered with my buddy Jake, and we're just going down the checklist. Glucose, pH, protein, whatever. Then we hit one sample that throws us off completely. Positive for HCG. At first, Jake and I look at each other like, wait, is that what we think it is? Because HCG is the hormone detected in pregnancy tests. We even triple-checked the strip and the results, definitely positive. We figured maybe the test was contaminated or the strip was bad. So we asked the professor if we could rerun it. The prof was like, sure, but I tested all the strips myself yesterday and they were all accurate. So we retested it. Still positive. At this point, the professor kind of pauses, then very gently asks the class, hey, just so you all know, HCG only shows up in urine during pregnancy. So whoever submitted sample 14, feel free to come talk to me privately after class if this is surprising or upsetting. Dead silence. Everyone goes pale. A few heads turn. I glance at Jake and he whispers, yo, I think it's Emily's. Now here's where it gets wild. Emily is super quiet, always sits in the back, and she's dating this guy Mark who's also in the class. But lately they've been weird, like not talking. Mark's been kind of distant. And Emily's been low-key teary-eyed a couple of times. So we're all putting two and two together. After class, Emily rushes out. Mark follows. Nobody says anything, but we all know. Later that night, Jake texts me, bro, Emily isn't pregnant with Mark's kid. She cheated. Apparently, word spread that she hooked up with some dude at a party 3 weeks ago. She was trying to keep it quiet and didn't even know she was pregnant yet. She hadn't told anyone. But the lab results, yeah, those told the whole class. Now there's drama. Mark's apparently ghosted her. And people are still gossiping about it a week later. All because of a science lab.